What's going on, you all? We're going to be talking about the top 10 games you can get on your Oculus Quest 2 with no PC required. Now, this is going to give you an overall spectrum of the VR experience in general. It's not just going to be one type of genre, or it's not just going to be just free games, but there will be just kind of a mixture of games in here. And the reason why we did this is because if you're new to Oculus Quest or new to VR in general, these can really help you out. And so let's go ahead and just talk about this list. But before we get started, my name is Timstuh. If you like content like this from Oculus Quest 2 and VR and just tips and tricks and just insights and news and setups and accessories and just what you need, be sure to follow this channel, subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, or you can hit us up on all of our other media. We want to thank y'all so much for over 200,000 followers on TikTok, and that really does mean the world to us. Our active community on there helps us out create longer format content because it does get hard, and so those that do interact here also, it really is appreciated. So let's go ahead and get into the top 10 games of Oculus Quest 2. All right, number one, of course, I'm gonna go. This is it right here. Number one is gonna be Beat Saber. Hands down, it is the immersive experience if you want to get into VR, from dancing and hitting beats and music and just what they have and just how it feels when you look around when you're putting on the headset and getting into Beat Saber. Beat Saber, hands down, you just have to get into it. You definitely know what I'm talking about if you played Beat Saber. I know some of y'all have seen some of the videos online, and from getting to mixed reality and just having that overall fun attribution, Beat Saber, hands down, is possibly the number one game just due to a popularity of mainstream alone. I wouldn't say it's the best, like that's it, like firm, but it is a top game that you have to have. This doesn't have to be a certain list. Just know that these are games that are going to be in your library, or they have to be in your library. Next, I'm going to go with Super Hot. Super Hot is a cool Matrix approach, slow-mo. I really like it. Just has a polygon effect, which makes it really feel like a futuristic insight. And it's an all-around spectrum. So on Beat Saber, you're kind of just looking forward, hitting everything. But with Super Hot, you're able to look around in your room and you got to go left, right, and you're not using any joysticks. It's fully VR experience. So when you're holding your controllers, you just have to move your body. While in contrast to other games, you still kind of have to use a joystick. While Super Hot, it gives you that full VR experience, and you're grabbing stuff, and it's incredible. You have to get into Super Hot. If you're not, try it out, man. Y'all thank me later. Next, I'm gonna go with Walking Dead, of course. Just for some horror fans or zombie fans, Walking Dead's got to be there, from the campaign and more. Just zombies in general, and Walking Dead speaks for itself. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about when I say Walking Dead. Just if you want a story mode with some jump up scares, pop-up scares, if you want zombies and overall just melee experiences in a VR, then that'll be great. If you like Walking Dead also, then you can look into other games that it branches off into if you enjoy those genres like Death Horizons and more. But Walking Dead is definitely on a top 10 list, no question about it. Next, I'm going to go now. We're going to go to FPS. I think Pavlov is something that Pavlov Shack beta. It's free for now on App Lab Games for Oculus Quest 2, and that is incredible. So if you can get to that game now, if you are watching this video, because that game is going to be definitely worth some money pretty soon, because it is really good for what it's offering for free. Pavlov, if you're looking into Pavlov, the reason why I put Pavlov, you can also branch these down to different aspects. Also for FPS, if you like Call of Duty, you can look into Pavlov and Contractors. If you like more of a real tactical shooter, then you're looking into Onward. But those three alone, that has to be on a list. But I'm going to put Pavlov because it's overall the better experience, I would say. But Onward's just as great, and Contractors is really fun also. Contractors, Pavlov, like Call of Duty, I would say like Rainbow Six possibly would be Onward, but any tactical realism shooter, maybe CSGO or something, would be Onward. What else do I have? I had those, dude. Beat Saber. What did I say? Beat Saber, Super Hot, Walking Dead, Pavlov. Okay, so let's go into some free ones. I'll go like a 5-6 would be VR Chat and Rec Room. Those are also really fun because VR Chat and Rec Room are just more monumental to what the VR experience is to be, and it's free. So VR Chat is a standalone, so you already know kind of what I'm talking about when I say that. They're on other platforms also, such as Rec Room, and so those two alone, they're just, you have to have them on your library. It's a fun experience. So VR Chat, Rec Room, they speak for themselves. Usually people already know about these games because they've been around on other aspects and platforms, but Rec Room, VR Chat, check them out. Let us know what you think about that. Next, I'll definitely go Gorilla Tag. I believe that's our 7th one now. Gorilla Tag, hands down, a fun game. I think for what it offers and what it delivers for a free attribute, that's almost unbeatable. So Gorilla Tag is definitely one that I would put on a top list for sure. Next, I would also say Pistol Whip. Pistol Whip's a great game. The thing is with FPS and shooter games, a lot of them cause, for you to utilize, this is what I said earlier, a lot of them cause for you to use like joysticks and moving around. But the good thing about Pistol Whip is that it gives you more of an arcade appeal, and it kind of gives you like a super hot appeal, but it has music in there, and it kind of has that futuristic theme that you would really enjoy while playing some shooter games. So I would say Pistol Whip would be one of those top games also. So just in my vast opinion, obviously. And so I think that would be pretty cool. Next, what I want to talk about also is Population 1. So Population 1 would be another, like what I said, this list is not in order, but Population 1 is really good. It's the VR version of Fortnite. They're actually in their 2nd season, so you know that they're having a lot of success over there from updates and giving you weapons and the building attributes and just the overall smooth experience. A VR battle royale. It's probably the only the only foundational monumental one right now. They are trying to change the game in the battle royale, and I believe that they're going to be the top realm, especially when everybody starts to migrate towards VR. And with Oculus Quest 2, that's what people are starting to do. So Population 1 has to be on potentially everybody's top list right now. Also, Echo Arena. Echo Arena is dope. Echo VR, just the essence of it, what it brings, what it does. Echo Arena is just so fun. I don't want to explain it too much anymore on that, but Echo Arena, Echo VR, get it. It's something that you definitely don't want to miss out on. So to go over the list again, it's going to be Beat Saber, Super Hot, Walking Dead, Population 1, Pavlov, VR Chat, Rec Room, Gorilla Tag, Pistol Whip, and Echo VR. So with those games all around now, those are a span of games that I wanted to just give a taste of everything. Are these going to be on everybody's top list? No, but there is going to be a handful of games that are on every top list just due to their identity alone. And like what I said, if you like Walking Dead, you can look into other notable features like Death Horizons or Drop Dead Dual Strike. If you like Super Hot, you can look more into Pistol Whip, which I named on here also. If you like Beat Saber, you can look into Audica. You can look into Synth Riders. So these games also have a lot of branch off games, which is why I felt like these deserve to be in the top 10. VR Chat, Rec Room, those are all also things. Those kind of lead you more into what Avatar is going to be about in the VR room anyway, because avatars are really starting to get a lot better, creating and customizing your own, and just the smoothing experience of that. And then I said the Pavlov already also. So Pavlov also branches into Contractors or Onward or just any other free FPS games like Physics Playgrounds can go into one of those. There's just so many games that FPS starts going into like Aim XR and I think Triton or Gun Raiders that can kind of be that way also. So those are all games that really branch out. And then I said Echo VR and Echo Arena. So yeah, those are games that I feel that those are a top 10 along with some notable ones that I did mention in there. My name's Timstuh. If you like content like this, go ahead and hit us up with a subscribe, a thumbs up. It really does mean the world. And thank you for our TikTok community. I just wanted to build this in chat and just talk to you all a little bit today about a top 10 game. So if you're interested in anything like this, hit us up. Hit your boy up. I appreciate y'all. Peace.